Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to add music on your video in your smartphone device. It's very simple to add music as an offline, no need for online any kind of application. So how to add music? So let's start as a demonstration in mobile screen. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So this is my phone. You just simply open your app store first of all and type here iMovie and download this iMovie application. I already installed this application, so simply open this application, add new project here as a movie. So which movie you want add here, simply I select this video like 27 seconds, create a movie. So this is my video. I want add music on this video, setting option. So you can add here different features also on that particular video as a clip wise, which clip you want add something in effects, accordingly you add this effect. Here add sign is there, you click here. Simple some options are come here like a moment, video, photos, album, background. So here audio is available. I click the audio, my music, songs, and those are music available on my smartphone device, which music I want add on this particular movie. So I just simply select randomly one this music. Addition signs are there, so this music are come here directly. Just I play this one. So this music are working on this particular video footage. It's very simple. And then after done this one, so this is my clip. Now I play. That one is a perfect clip of ready of mine. Just simply pause here and then share. So now I share this clip wherever I want share, otherwise download this clip in my mobile, exporting this movie here. This movie in my comes in my library. So simply I open this one. So look at this music, this movie is ready using music, and I create this movie using my phone offline application. It's very simple. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, same Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.